So today I was talking with a two student to talk about like life and why we need to study. And especially this corona situation makes us to think our future for sure. So many young, especially young generation, and also of course like my age, like 30s, 40s, I think they are really seriously thinking about their future. And I was talking about the life and think about future. So that's why I wanted to share something with you guys. Forget about Japanese. Forget about the Japanese language or something. Talk about like why we have to study and what we need to do for our future. So first, definitely we need to study forever. Because we have to improve ourselves for getting more freedom and happy life. Do you want to work just for food? Okay, I want to eat gyros, moussaka, whatever. I need 10 euro. Okay, I will work hard to survive, for food, to eat food. Do you want like this life forever? Oh, I'm hungry. I need to eat, but I need the money. I will work and pay the food. That's it. Or maybe for surviving as like an animal, like work, food, and make children and sleep. That's it. Like an animal. I think as a humanity, I don't think somebody wants like this life. And I don't think somebody say this is a happiness. Work hard to eat, to have a food. So why we need to study? To have a more freedom. You can go trip. You can do whatever you want. I wanna buy these things. I wanna go somewhere. I want to go to the party. I want to travel to Japan. As more of humanity. Free time. And spend happy hours. Happy time. That's why we need to study. Otherwise, if I don't have any skill, only that job, waiter, or like work at the factory, or something like I make the phone to make a hole with this, for this mobile, for example. It's okay, yeah, it's great job. Really great job, but this is the things that you want forever and for eating. Corona, a lot of restaurants are closing and a lot of jobs are, closing. And I don't have a choice because I don't have a skill. Anyway, I need food tomorrow, so whatever I want, whatever I have found, let's work this job. No one wants like this. No one. No parents want children to work like this. No parents want like that future. I have a daughter. I don't want my daughter to work like this, to have a food tomorrow. No. We don't need to survive. We need a happy life. In order to have like this happy life, we need to improve ourselves. And this is forever. Because every year changing the world, that's also natural. And never like ancient Greek time to now, it's totally same. It never happened like this. Always, every 5 years, maybe every 2 years, every 10, 20 years, changing. And also, you don't need to be negative for this. Being negative or critical thinking are very different. Critical thinking is, okay, maybe corona situation, this will continue next 5 years, or maybe 6 years, or maybe not gonna solve. So, what should I do? Maybe I need to work online. Or maybe I need to change the job. Because maybe Corona will continue forever. This is not being negative. Being negative is, no, my life. Oh, I cannot do this. Oh, I need to continue this stupid job. Oh, this is called negative. Being negative doesn't make anything. It just destroy everything. Being negative. To have a critical thinking is to improve ourselves. We need to have the critical thinking. Otherwise, okay, that's my life is perfect. I don't need to do anything. That's zero critical thinking and cannot improve more. That's it. I am perfect. That's it. Finish. My life continue forever. Best. But actually it's not. You know that. Never be perfect forever. Change always. That's why we need to prepare for next changing. And so in order to adapt the next period, we need to improve. And this person who's studying every day has more opportunity for sure. Because the world is changing every day. And you don't know, maybe you will lose the job tomorrow. Done. But this time, like Corona, when you lose the job, when you have a skill, you can again find the good opportunity. But when you don't have a skill, you cannot find. And you need to work just for food. And this is not what we want. No parents want like this life, and no one want like this. The working for just food. That's why we need to study. That's why we need to improve ourselves. And not being the negative, going down. Critical thinking. Maybe Corona will continue forever, but we can improve. We can adapt to this new society, and we can have the happy life. So, all young kids generation, they really need to think their future and not be negative, but also they need to think what they want in their life. Because so many choices, so many. Living in Japan, or living in the US, or living in the Greece forever, and then as an artist, whatever is correct. Nothing is wrong. But if you are happy, it's okay. But if you are not happy, if you are unhappy, and you need to work for food, and you complain, I need to do work. I need to work 8 hours. Oh my God. This is really a problem. And this is really sad. And I would say, why don't you study? To get out from this situation. So this is what we need. This is the reason we need to study. Am I wrong? Am I so wrong? Better stop studying. Enjoy right now. Yeah, this is also, it's okay. But at some point, you will lose everything and you don't have a job. We are human. We are not working for food. Yeah. And we can prepare for better future. For ourselves and for my kids. Yeah. Am I wrong? Tell me your opinion. YouTube, comment. Tell me your opinion. Okay, so let's study today. Why we need to study. Yeah. Then, to have a Japanese skill is absolutely special. And definitely you will have more opportunity.